In this video, I'm going to share with you how to buy the Tron meme coins. They are very hyped right now. Everyone is looking to buy Tron meme coins because they are everywhere on the Twitter. So if you go on Twitter, you will see every big influencer is talking about Tron meme coins. Every DJ is, because that's where the money is right now. Every few minutes, there's a meme coin launching. Like right now, this is just launched and it's already almost 66% to burning curve. All right. First step, get the Tron wallet and make sure you're getting this one. 500,000 users already downloaded it. Add to your Chrome or Brave browser. They have for the Edge as well, or you can download in your mobiles as well. Alright, that first step is done. Second step is, of course, come to Sunpump. You can select from here. You can choose the one you like. You can use the filters if they're already listed on SunSwap. If you want to buy new ones, recently launched or based on trading volume, that would be nice. Trading volume and listed on. So these ones are the ones that just got migrated. This is nice one, Capri Sun. Okay, this is a good meme, definitely. I've just seen it first time because I know my son used to drink those and I know the meme, so it makes sense. So anyways, total value locked is pretty good right now. What you can do is, so this is the swap. Like in Solana, we have Radium. Here we have SunSwap. What you can do is click anything you like. You can buy directly from here, or you can copy that. There's going to be a lot of rugs as well, so just be careful. You can copy this contract. You can come here, put the Tron amount you want, and then you can go here, put anything you like, and then you select that and you can just buy it. I'm going to do a small transaction just to show you how to buy them. All right, I'm going to use 100 Tron and then TRX. You have a fee here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, you connect your wallet, you will have a you can connect your wallet from here. You see my wallet is already there. You will have a sign, just connect wallet, approve. And the gas fees is crazy right now when it comes to Tron. $3 is the highest I've seen gas fees. The highest I've seen. I'm just doing a transaction just for you guys so I can show you in this video. But it's the highest transaction fees that I've seen so far. I should have just gone bigger. It shows the swap has been complete, but a lot of time it does fail as well. So you will lose that $3, the gas fee. Let's see if the swap has been done. You can check, go here. Yep, a swap has been done. I got $16 worth of Suncat. And yeah, you can come here. If you don't see your coin here, click on this plus icon. Again, you can see it. Alright, first step was getting the wallet. Copy the address from here. Send the money in your wallet. Right? Those are the steps. Send the money in your wallet. TRX is cheap when it comes to sending from any exchange. You can buy USDT with your credit card or whatever way you wanna buy it. Buy TRX. Send TRX to this wallet here. Creating wallet is very easy. Just follow a step. You can write down the seed phrase, or if you wanna take a screenshot of that, verify. Make sure you have the right seed phrase written, and that's it. When you come here, get your Tron wallet, and you can use a lot more filters when it comes to Dex Screener. You can go to Dex Screener website. Select Tron, and you can see there's only one swap, SunSwap, at the moment. You can see so many tokens here, whatever is trending based on and the good thing is you have 5 minutes trending, 6 hours. You can check based on how many hours you can you want it, you know, how old the token has to be. So right now, based on volume or transactions made, top gainers right now, top gainers are Decade. So you will have to explore this. You can use a lot more filters here. I'm not just going to go in everything because it will take a lot longer. And if you open a coin, you will see here, or you can do a trade directly from here. You can add in watch list. So for example, I have these watch list made, top tokens. This is the token I've just purchased. The contract address is right here as well. You can get contract address here. Go in search bar. Any address you can take from here. Like for example, this one. I'll go paste right here on the search bar. I'll get that token. The reason I like Dex Screener because I've been using for Sol. I know how it works, and I see much clearer transaction. My subconscious mind is used to of this, and it just works better. I think this coin has rugged after listing in after burning curve it rugged, but that's fine. This will happen. A lot of coins going to rug, so you don't want to get into brand new tokens. Yes, they offer high risk and reward. But yeah, you can still make money if you get in good community based meme coins. That's pretty much it, guys. Is that simple? There's only 3-4 steps to follow. Get your Tron wallet, send funds, come here in Sunpump, take any contract address. You can buy directly from Sunpump, or you can go to Sunswap, add your contract address here, buy from here, and you can go in Desk Screener and use the filters, explore. I'll bring more strategies how to find a good opportunity. For that, you have to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.